Hurricane tie-down spacing needs to be planned so roof elements resist uplift and transfer forces to the foundation. For a secure roof-to-wall connection, start by identifying every rafter or truss bearing point along the perimeter and plan to install a connector at each location when the manufacturer specifies that spacing. Many connector producers recommend fastening at every rafter, which often means one connector at each rafter to wall bearing. Where rafters or trusses are closer than typical spacing, you still follow the producer spacing guidance and do not skip fasteners to save time. At corners and gable ends, use continuous tie-downs or longer straps that wrap and transfer uplift loads into multiple framing members because these locations experience concentrated uplift and racking forces. Fastener selection matters greatly, so use the stainless or hot-dipped galvanized nails or screws specified by the manufacturer and drive them with the required pattern and number to achieve the published capacity. Check local wind load specifications from the building authority and, if provided, use the calculated uplift forces to confirm connector capacity and spacing rather than guessing. When working on an existing roof, inspect for degraded wood, corrosion, or prior undersized connectors and replace or augment connections rather than simply adding new straps over compromised framing. Common issues are missing connectors at gable ends, which lets wind peel the eave. Fix this by installing continuous wrap straps at those edges and reinforcing adjacent framing. Another frequent problem is using the wrong fasteners or undercounting required nails, which reduces capacity. Always follow the connector producer fastener schedule and replace improper nails or screws with the specified type and count. A third issue is assuming one size or spacing fits all wind conditions. Consult local wind load charts and increase connector capacity or reduce spacing in higher wind zones to match the calculated uplift. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for tie-down and retrofit work and offers contractor profiles so pros can find new projects and clients. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange experiences, ask questions, and share best practices on hurricane tie-downs and related roof strengthening topics.